What to do if the printer is offline? Reasons for the printer is offline. 1. Due to the wrong and false configuration causes this printing error. 2. Improper connection. 3. Search for obstacle or obstruction. 4. Outdated drivers. 5. Untidy the rollers and toners. 6. Low ink cartridges. Some troubleshooting steps. 1. Perform a power cycle. 2. Check for paper jam inside the printer. 3. Printer associated with Wi-Fi yet disconnected. Perform a power cycle. 1. At first turn off your printer. 2. Disconnect the energy twine from the wall outlet. 3. Then, reopen it through maintaining the power button for a minute. 4. Attach the power cord once more and join it on your device. 5. Power on each system and the printer. 6. Now, try to take a print and test whether the printer is resolved or not. If you are unable to resolve the issue, do not worry. We are here to help you. Just follow the link given in the description below. Our experts are available 24 hours to assist you with any issue.